Greetings. Hello again. This is Earthman from Origami's Living Soil, and truly blessed to be alive this day. And just following up once again on IMO 1, 2, and here we go. Here's number 2. I took 1, which I showed you in an earlier video, after taking cooked rice and putting it in my official IMO chamber, I guess you can say, and covered it up and put it in a cool place down in the basement. And like a week later or less, all that beautiful bacteria, mycocillin, and bacteria, it's just amazing growth. And I mixed that with equal amounts of brown sugar and IMO 2 here, and this will last for up to a year, I would believe, maybe a little less, but I'll use that a lot faster. I'm going to blow right through this, I'll tell you. I'm going to need to make some more real quick, obviously. If I'm going to be Earthman, I got to have living soil, and everywhere I grow, I have living soil, and so takes a lot of bacteria, but once you get it inoculated, man, the bacteria take over, and God made them where they take care of you. They take care of your plants. They really do. And look at my IMO chamber. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that growth. It's just beautiful. This is a live soil right here. I didn't do anything to make that happen other than just cover it up and give it a chance to just do its thing there, and the bacteria just bursting out at the seams. So IMO 2 here. There you go. And that's the follow-up video. May God bless you, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I got plenty of videos coming down the road on living soil and other things that are related to growing plants. And if you like the video, like it. That's pretty much it. May God bless you, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.